love unboxing day. Oh yeah, made in the USA. Stinger. Y'all know I get excited about unboxing day. Let's take it on inside and see what's in there. All right, let's check it out and see what's in there. First of all, it's a nice box. Stinger. Open the flap, join the swarm. Yes, sir. Some paper. Good old instructions, show you how to do it. Don't worry about that, I'll show you in a minute. And then the big reveal. Bum, bum, bum. Here we go. Check this out. So, super stoked about this one. This one here is the Stinger Raptor. So, Stinger logo, made in the USA. Nice M-Lok design here. Pick rail all the way across the top. The little cutouts here, lightning cuts, not lightning as in, but lightning as in lighter. Then over here you got some more little pick pieces that are on here for other little attachments and doodads, whether you're going lasers, lights, sharks, bipods, tripods, unipod, whatever it is. You can hook it up right there. So I already got the barrel nut installed right here. So when I take you downstairs to install this, we'll remove this right here with the Allen wrench and pull this barrel nut out. But it's an easy barrel nut right there. And then of course, one other thing that comes with it, an Allen wrench. Proprietary barrel nut wrench to put on the end of your torque wrench. All right, let's set this box aside. Oh, what's this? Did my Stinger just have a baby? Looks like it. Wait a minute. Elemental Performance, Model Ridge, lenses, green mirror. What are these? To be continued on a new video. Spoiler alert, they're sunglasses. All right, let's take this down to the shop and put it on. All right, we'll start, we'll just put a little gun grease on here. It's a little nondescript gun grease. Right here on these threads real good. And we'll just take this barrel nut, screw it on there by hand. Get it good and hand tight. And we'll back it back off. Run it on there one more time. Hand tight. Back it all the way off one more time. And as they say, the third time's the charm. Let's spin her back on there. Now this is a step that a lot of people skip, but it doesn't hurt anything and it does help. This just kind of spreads the grease out a little bit. It's what the professionals might call seasoning the threads. I just call it spreading the grease. Now that the threads are greased up, and there's also some gun grease on the barrel extension, and it's the barrels on in there, let's go ahead and take this proprietary barrel nut, slip it back on there, always real gentle. We'll hand tighten it once again. Something important to know, when you put the crow foot on the torque wrench, put it at a nice 90-degree angle because your angle actually affects pounds of pressure. Got it set right now for 30 pounds of pressure, and then we'll increase the value in a little while here. All right. Now we'll just break it free. We'll do it again. All right, back her off. Bring it back down. I'm going to increase my pressure. Get back to 90 degrees. Just crank her on. All right. Nice and snug. Now put your gas tube on. One of my favorite things about this proprietary barrel nut that you hear me keep mentioning is that when this gas tube comes on through here, what's awesome about it is so many other barrel nuts you have to time up perfectly with the pounds of pressure and a hole for this tube to go through, so it's exactly lined up with the gas ports and everything. But with this one, it's so low profile, the gas tube goes right over top of it, so you can get it to the exact pounds of pressure without having to worry about, is my tube lined up exactly right. So now that that's installed, let's put the rest of it on. All right, let's install this little tab, the indentation part towards the receiver. Well, there you go. It's all installed. The Stinger 15 Raptor. Pretty excited about the way it's looking already. If you would like to follow along with the rest of this build, just, you know, like, subscribe, all that typical YouTube stuff. We're building a 375 Stalker, which is a brand new cartridge. Really exciting stuff. But until next time, God bless you, and go take your mountain.